everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my Boxyluxe unboxing for March of 2020. Look how big this box is, by the way. I don't know if it says how big it is or how much it weighs. I do not believe it does. I actually didn't get that information this month, but it is a huge box, and I kind of peeked already. But let's get right into this. Okay, so as you can see, massive. So when you first open it, I did kind of sneak, like I said. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing that's in the box is the card, and it is pretty edgy this month. It's like cement, broken up, and I got variation number 14. Okay. So this time they actually put paper in it. Usually it's like that styrofoam stuff. Okay. So the first thing that I see in the box is this Boxycharm, and it's an eyeshadow palette. I did swatch some of these colors already, and they weren't really pigmented. Like, they showed really pigmented on my fingers, but not really on the swatches, and I'll show you what I mean. So, colors absolutely beautiful. I'll have to do a look with these for you guys. But as you can see, like, this color wasn't bad. Like, that one was really pretty. This spoiler matte shade, I mean, it doesn't really pack that much of a punch. Let's Cup of Joe. That's actually a really pretty color. Like, I think that would be a really pretty transition shade. And let's try unboxing, because hello, my favorite thing to do every month, my unboxing videos. So those are like, they're not bad. I think the ones that are a little more hard, like I'll show you, like this glittery, I think it would be just pretty. It's like a topper. It's literally like just straight glitter. That's all it is. But I mean, they're not the worst. It does retail for $39. I do not think this palette would be worth $39, but considering that we got in the Boxycharm, like, I am happy to have received this. I'm not gonna complain about that. Next thing that's in the box, and I actually picked this one out, is the Moroccan Oil, and it's a protect and prevent spray, so it prevents damage and helps protect your hair. So when you're using hot tools or anything like that. So I love this brand. I love the way their products smell. I have never tried this, but as you know, I will be doing videos in the future. So if you want to see those videos, like of me trying out this palette or using this, just don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified when I do upload those videos. Okay, so this retails for $30, so that is so awesome that we got it in this month's Boxycharm. It's a really good deal. The next thing that I see in the box is this sponge, and it's a body wash infused buffer. I've actually already received one of these in a Boxyluxe, and I'm not mad that I got another one because I really did like this product. They smell really good, and it lasts a little while, like not like over a month at least, but they smell really good, and you just wet it and it buffs your body. And especially with all the dry weather, like the cold weather that we've been having, it's really good to use an exfoliator like this to buff it out. And this retails for $16, so it's actually not bad priced either. So when you do run out, it's affordable, so you can go and buy another one. So really great deal, and I'm happy that I received that. Hey, if you haven't noticed, like, I got my hair done today. It's a little more brassy than I would like up here, because I had it really blonde, but it's not bad. It's like not the worst. But sorry, my throat's been a little itchy. I do not have the coronavirus. Just a little, I've had a cold. Okay, that being said, the next thing that's in the box is this blush, and it is Show Me Your Cheeks. I don't know if that's the brand. Oh, it's Elizabeth Moth. Or, not Moth. Elizabeth Mott. M-O-T-T, Mott. I expected this to smell like peaches because it has peaches, but it doesn't smell like peaches. The name of the color is Peach Pink. So, it doesn't smell like peaches, which would be awesome if it did, because I love peaches and I love the smell of peaches, but it is a really pretty color. So you can see, I'm just gonna do it right there. Very, 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 very light. So I think it'll be like just pretty for the summertime, just to give like a slight bit of color. And this retails for $23. That's kind of high for something that's like, I mean, it doesn't pack a lot of pigmentation, so I don't think I would ever spend $23 on this. But I have been fooled before. There's products that I think that I wouldn't like, and then I actually try them out and I'm like, oh my gosh, I love this product. How did I ever live without it? So don't ever judge something just by like a swatch or something, because it doesn't mean that it's not going to perform well. And I'll be doing a whole makeup look with the products that I've got. You know me if you've been following my channel for a while. Okay, so the next thing that I see in the box is the Sol de Janeiro, and it's the coconut cream cabana and then the Brazilian bum bum cream. I love these. I like this one way more, the one in the yellow. This stuff, it smells so good. Like, this is my favorite scent. Like, I seen that they came out with the perfume, and you know I have to get that because this is my favorite scent in the world. This one smells like butter popcorn. Like, every time I put it around, like on, people are like, oh, I smell like waffles, or I smell popcorn. It smells like butter, basically. It's really good. Like, it smells really good. I don't really smell the coconut. I smell butter. But in this stuff, like, you can't even describe it. It smells like heavenly. It smells so good. And these two retail for $15, I think, is a duo. I wouldn't spend $50 just for this. I think it's like normally $40, but it comes in a lot bigger thing. I actually won one of their giveaways, and I won like over $300 worth of their products, and I gave them to one of my friends because she's like just as obsessed with the brand as me, and I already have a lot of their stuff, so I hooked her up. Okay, the next thing that I see in the box is this QMS, and it's a lip line corrector, and I actually had lip fillers and they're gone, and after you're like, they dissolve, your lips get like kind of wrinkly, kind of, like not bad, but so I seen this retails for $200. That is amazing. So it just pops up like this. Let me go ahead and try it. I don't really have anything on my lips right now, so so it looks like this, and I feel weird. I don't even know if this is how you're supposed to apply it. Weird. Okay, it says okay, lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Skin type all. So we'll see if it starts plumping my lips. Okay, it kind of tastes weird, not gonna lie. Okay, so like that, yeah, that retails for $200, which is insane. $200. So hopefully it works. I mean, for $200, you would expect it to. And the next thing that I see in the box, yes, I'm still going, is this Nars lipstick. And this is the shade Done It Again, number 2775. And I don't know about this color. Like, this is super dark. As you can see, like, it is like chocolate brown. Chocolate brown. That's exactly what it is. Like look at that. That is so dark. Like, I could not picture me ever wearing this color. Maybe if like I do a darlene, like stuff that I always do, you get a little bit of it and then you just like shear it out on your lips to make it like a lot lighter, like something like that. Like, I could do that. I can't do that, but like maybe a color like that is more wearable. So we'll have to play around with this to see about that. And this retails for $25, which isn't bad for a Nars product. I just don't know about the color. I would have loved a red. Oh my gosh, I love red lipsticks. Okay, and the last thing that's in the box, which is probably what I'm most excited about, like when I seen the spoiler for this, I was like, oh my Lanta. It's a PMD, and it is like, what is it called? A smart facial cleansing device. This is amazing. I actually had, what is it called? Is it a Luna? I think it's called a Luna. But I got the like little small one and it's like $40 and you can't recharge it. Like the bigger one's a lot more expensive and you can recharge that one. But, oops. But yeah, so I was excited because this is kind of like the same thing, but you can't charge this one. It comes with the battery. The battery actually came in here. I already set it up. And it has 4 different modes. So you wet this or you wet your face, you put your stuff on here. So that's the first one. It's just like kind of straight vibration. This one's a lot faster vibration. This one's pulsing. And this one's fast pulsing. And then it's off. It feels weird, like it's like vibrating my hand. But this is so cool. I think that it is so awesome that we received this. Like I said, this retails for $99. That is insane that we got this. And it comes with this so that you can set it up on your counter. Like so. It's like just like a little clear lid. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out. Maybe I can do it on video if you guys want. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see how you use this. It's pretty self-explanatory, but or explanatory. I don't even know how to talk, so just ignore me. But yeah, so the total retail value of this month's box was $447, which is insane because I spent $59.99 for this entire box and got over $447 worth of products. That is amazing. And that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell down in the corner below so that you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. That being said, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. God bless.